Hello everyone, my name is Stuart. Today I will talk about how animals get their food. Animals get their food by adaptations. What are adaptations? Adaptations are the changes that living things need to go through to survive. And types of animals are carnivores, herbivores, and seed-eating birds. Carnivores eat meat. Examples are lion, tiger, eagle, owl, and cheetah. They get their food by sharp teeth, sharp beak, and sharp claws. Now I will talk about herbivores. Herbivores eat grass and leaves. Examples are zebras, cow, and giraffe. They are able to get their food with long legs and sharp teeth. And last one is seed-eating birds. Seed-eating birds eat seeds and berries. For examples are sparrow and cardinal. They have short, strong beak for cracking the seeds. So animals get their food by adaptations. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for listening.